Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Okudo, and this is the 81st lesson of the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course on freecodecamp.org. I hope you've been fine. I hope you've been following, and I hope you're learning a lot. It's so good to have you here. So let's get right into the lesson. The title is Return Early Pattern for Functions. Return. It says when a return statement is reached, the execution of the current function stops and control returns to the calling location. So I believe I've mentioned something like this in my previous lesson, saying that after the after the return statement is executed, the every other thing is ignored, right? So let's see. It says here that the above will display the string hello in the console and return the string world. Yeah. The string bye bye will never display in the console because the function exists at the return statement. So I believe you've gone through this function. You can see there are two console.log statements. There is one before the return and there's one after the return. And then here the function is called. So all right. So once the function is called, this statement is run, and then this is run, and then it exits the function. All right. So that is simply what this particular lesson is trying to help us understand. That there is nothing that is run after your return statement. So it says modify the function A/B test so that if A or B are less than 0, the function will immediately exit with the value of undefined. So if A or B, so we've done something like this in the previous lessons, logical operator. So we have that if A is less than 0, or I hope you remember our logical or sign or operator. Okay. If A is less than 0 or B is less than 0, then we are supposed to return what? Undefined. Return undefined. Alright, so this A/B test is called here. So um let's run it. Okay, actually it runs automatically. So because if A is less than 0 or B is less than 0, it should return undefined. But since these are both false, A is not less than 0 and B is not less than 0. So this won't evaluate to true. So this um, the program will keep on would go on to other statements, alright? So return maths.round, maths.bar. This is some mathematical stuff. I won't be explaining this now. I believe as we go into other parts of the course, we'll see more on this. What I'm okay, I forgot that I'm supposed to console the log. Oh, wow. So I was wondering why there was nothing printing on the console. So we have 8. So math dot square roots. So I think this is this math dot square root function is supposed to find the square root of A, and this is supposed to find the square root of B, and then it's going to raise them to the power of 2, I think. But anyways, let's try to change this to -1. Then we see an undefined. So that means we are on track. Let me go ahead and run the tests. And yeah, there we go. All right. I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like this particular video, like right now. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and drop a comment. Yeah. Thank you very much for